Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Suburban. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front head airbag, passenger airbag sensor, power outlet, adjustable steering wheel, rear head airbag, traction control, luggage rack, privacy glass, and rear defrost. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.